If someone told you the kitchen scraps you throw away every single day could outperform expensive fertilizers and supercharge your soil, would you believe it? Today, I'm showing you how to turn ordinary food waste into rich, powerful super soil, without spending a cent. And trust me, this isn't old-school composting. This is the 2025 method gardeners everywhere are raving about because it's cleaner, faster, and way more effective. The truth is, your kitchen scraps hold more nutrients than most store-bought fertilizers. Coffee grounds, veggie peels, eggshells, fruit leftovers, all of it is plant food just waiting to happen. The only difference between waste and super soil is how you process it. Once you understand the science behind decomposition, moisture, and soil biology, making premium compost is effortless. Here's the kicker. Most gardeners have no idea they're tossing out nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, and a bunch of other micronutrients every day. These are exactly what plants need to build strong roots and fight off pests. When you compost right, you're not just feeding your plants, you're rebuilding the soil ecosystem beneath them. That's why compost-grown gardens always come out on top, with bigger tomatoes, stronger herbs, and richer flavors. So, what should you actually compost? Almost any plant-based kitchen item. Veggie peels, fruit scraps, coffee grounds, tea leaves, stale bread, rice, oatmeal, and crushed eggshells. The key is to balance your nitrogen-rich greens with carbon-rich browns. Greens heat things up and break down fast. Browns soak up moisture and keep smells away. Layer them right, and nature takes care of the rest. Skip the cooking oils, dairy, or large amounts of meat. They slow down the process and attract pests. Once you get the balance, your kitchen becomes a renewable source of soil nutrition. Now, how do you set up for 2025? If you've got a yard, traditional bins work great. Layer your scraps with hay, wood shavings, or leaves. If you're tight on space, indoor composters break down scraps in days. Just add your waste, push a button, and wait. Worm bins are awesome too. Red wigglers turn garbage into pure plant gold. No equipment? Try trench composting. Just bury scraps right in your beds and let nature work. Speeding things up is simple. Make sure your pile gets oxygen and stays damp, not soggy. Turn it now and then, and adjust the greens or browns if it smells or dries out. With a bit of practice, compost becomes a living system you can read by sight and smell. When your compost is dark, crumbly, and smells earthy, it's ready. Mix it into your beds, top-dress pots, or blend with native soil. Plants grow thicker, greener, and faster. Healthier soil means healthier plants, and less trouble from pests or disease. Every batch saves you money, cuts down landfill waste, and gives you a deeper connection to your garden. You're not just growing plants, you're rebuilding the ecosystem that feeds them. If this helped unlock the power of your kitchen scraps, hit subscribe and share this with another gardener who needs to hear it. Let's grow smarter together.